Hi everyone. See the sundown. It's 5:15 but the sun's still high. That means summer is approaching. What is this? See, it's a beautiful sundown. Soon the sun will go down. It's very busy. Look, traffic. Everyone wants to go home. So now I have to go home too. I go down in that bus in the other side and cross there and then cross in this park. I don't know. I don't want to go in the other way because there is a dog there and